Okay, listen. Before this video even starts, I know the editing is horrible because I edited first and it was so good, like amazing editing, first of all. But ooh, look at my head poking out. But when I was trying to put music into the video, like music, like put it in the little pause parts when I stopped talking, it like messed up the whole thing. Like all my hard work was messed up. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Because I was tired and I stopped editing. I was like, you know what? Forget it. It's just going to go in like this. So excuse the choppiness and stuff. It's going to be a lot of the stuff. You're going to be like, wait. Is she even talking to the video? Is she? Don't mind it. Don't judge me and don't do all that, whatever. Because I'm telling you in advance that this video is not edited correctly. Because I didn't feel like finishing it. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like it. Get right into the video.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ashara, and today, guess what we're making? It's slime. Guess what? Well, obviously. Anyway, I'm gonna put the this glue that I found at the dollar store, not the dollar store, the Walmart, and it's called gel glue because I couldn't find any glue because all the glue is with slime now. I guess now glue is for slime, but then I found this glitter glue. It was like all the way in the back of the store. I was like, oh yes, glitter glue. I can use it for the project. I mean, the slime. What am I talking about? And the glitter glue was like so pretty. It's like so sparkly. And I was like, yeah. Then I started mixing it. And it started looking like, you know, Frozen, that little cartoon. It looked like Frozen. I don't know why. It just reminded me of Frozen. So the activator that I'm using is dish detergent. Not dish detergent. What am I saying? Washing powder. Washing detergent is Gain. That's what it's called. It's Gain. Oh my god. And I started mixing it till it started clumping up. I was so happy. I was like, ooh, it's looking like slime. Took me a little while to mix it because I was like, okay, it's gonna mix sooner or later. Well, I'm gonna speed through this process. Wow. Process. The other day I made it and it was like better than this slime. Like way better. I'll put in a picture of it. And it actually wasn't sticky. So now I'm putting on gloves because I hate touching slime when it's like not ready yet. It gets all messy and stuff. So I put on gloves thinking that it would help. And I started kneading it. I thought the more you knead it, like the more it comes together. It does. It's just I think I did something wrong. I was supposed to probably put lotion in it or something to make it soften up. Okay, then I figured out that obviously I didn't have enough detergent in the slime, so I started adding more detergent, and it actually like came a little together. I am not a slime baker. Why? A little bit more. Really kind of sticky. Oh, god darn it. You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
Put some lotion on it or something. Guys, it's really sticky. Guys, this was obviously a fail. Like, it's stuck to the paper now, and it's all over my fingers. Look at my nails. Oh my gosh, look. It's sticky. It's like really sticky. I don't know what I did wrong, but I'll put some lotion on and see if it helped. And I had my brother to help me. He was like, ew, it looks so nasty. But it didn't even help. It just was stuck to the paper, and it still was just so sticky. It wouldn't even come off. So, I guess I'm not a slime maker, because look how sticky it is on my fingers and all that. And I'm so messy. But, thank you guys for watching this video. Get this video to at least, I'll say 10 likes. And comment any more, things you want me to do. To do so. Bye guys, love you. Thanks for watching this video.